Your offices are due to close at the end of next year.
I suppose it's made me a bit of a woman on a mission.
We've opened a new program, I mean Rothstein, and comparing
An idol here.
The four foundations have less than 5.
Changes that need to be made.
It is more comfortable, certainly.
strongly as in the discussion this morning, and that is size.
Because they have to.
Few ideas too. You become old when you don't have.
How it does operate, and
And issues of sort of reputation, how it can take decades to build up a reputation, and it can be, fall over in a miss.
With different people, with not only
Region or our youth and media program.
Working with it. Is there a special person for the setting procedure in the Parliament?
But from the point of view of the members. So, famously, Groucho Marx said,
I believe codes of practice are useful if they have an effect.
Governments. So we.
It was quite Rockefeller Brothers Fund, Western Balkans. So where do I come from?
June. On that note, John Healy, please.